Welcome. In today's guide, you'll learn how to send a one-time viewed photo, also known as a view once photo, directly from your PC using WhatsApp Web's latest update. If you want to share a picture that disappears after being seen just once, this new feature is perfect for you. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open WhatsApp Web on your computer. You can do this by visiting the WhatsApp web page in your browser and scanning the QR code with your phone. Once you're logged in, you'll see all your chats just like on your mobile device. Next, select the chat where you want to send your one-time photo. Click on the conversation to open it. Now look for the plus icon, usually found at the bottom of the chat window. Click on it, and you'll see several options. Choose camera from the list. This will activate your computer's webcam, allowing you to take a photo in real time. When you're ready, click on the camera icon to snap your photo. You'll see a preview of the picture you just took. If you're satisfied with it, look for the small icon with the number 1 inside a circle. This is the View Once feature. Click on this icon to enable the one-time view setting for your photo. After you've enabled the one-time view, all that's left to do is hit Send. Your photo will be delivered to your chosen contact, and they'll only be able to view it once before it disappears from the chat forever. That's it. With this update, you can now securely share sensitive or private moments directly from your PC, knowing your photo will only be seen once. This feature is great for sharing quick snapshots without leaving a trace. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out more tips to make the most out of WhatsApp Web. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing.